Hey friends, I hope you all doing great. And today we'll see a simple C program just as an example of linear search. So let's get started. So if you just search linear search on Google, you will get this, and as it says, in computer science, linear search or sequential search is a method of finding a target value within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list for the target value until a match is found or until all the elements have been found searched. Okay, so as it says, linear search is searching sequentially in a sequential manner. So let's write a small program about that. Okay, let's go with atom. So let's save it into that folder, nothing, and say linear search dot c and include header files stdio and our main function. So we will use a array, but remember that linear search doesn't mean use array. It can be a linked list or anything else, but linear search just means that it is a sequential search. You search in a sequential manner, one after another. Okay, so we are using array here. Let's say an integer array, and let's say first we ask for the size of the array, enter number of elements. Okay, and say n is the number of elements and scan that, pressing d address of n, and now you can use n, and let's declare another integer variable I for loop, and I starts from 0 and I less than n, I plus plus, and inside that, and we should first ask for the element we want to search, and let's give another printf, enter the element to search. Okay, and we can store it in, let's say, f, and %d again, an address of f, and inside that for loop just say if a of I, so I will start from 0 and it will go till the end of the array, and it will search for f in every block, and if it gets a match, let's say a of I is equal to, that is checking the values. So if that's true, then just print %d is found in block I. Okay, and give a %d here, so it will say like 5 is found in block 3. Okay, so you can say block number 3, and otherwise it will just keep rotating. And one more thing you can do is put a break inside that if, so that it stops here if it gets a match. And let's save it and let's run it. First we need to compile it, of course. So go to desktop, and as usual our nothing folder, and here we have g++ linear search.c. No such files found. The mistake is I think that file name I just misspelled it. I just gave it, let it be linear search. Okay. Now it is compiled and we can run it just by saying a dot out, and the number of elements, let's say 5, and we forget to take all the inputs. Okay, it happens, no big deal. So we can just stop it and ask for input. Okay, let's ask for that before asking for the searching element. And here we can use that same I less than n, I plus plus, and the printf enter element number %d. So we'll say element number I plus 1 because user knows that element number starts from 1 not 0. So, and we need to scan every element and so store it in that array. So I think now it's fine. We are storing the elements and we'll ask for this element to search, and then okay, so that's all. And few more things we need to do is add a flag here and give it a value 0 so that we can use that if the searching element is not found anywhere in that array. So if that flag increases or changed, it was 0, and if it found that match it will change the flag, and after that we'll just check the value of flag equal to 0. If it's 0 then print no matches found. Okay, so just like that. Let's say I think that's okay. So clear the screen and compile once again with that wrong spelling and it's okay now. So 5 elements, and element number 1, let's 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and we want to search 30, and 2 is found in block number 30 because we forget to give that one more variable name here, and f is found, actually f is found in block I plus 1. Okay, once again just for that user, not for us. And I think we need to put a new line here so that it looks good, and clear it, compile, run 3 elements 10, 20, 30, and we want to search 30. 30 is found in block 3, that's okay. And let's search this one again, 2 elements 10, 20, and let's search 30. No matches found, so that's okay. And let's say let's take another example. Let's say we gave 5 inputs, 10, 20, 30, and 10 once again, and then 40. So if we search 10, it will just say 10 is found in block number 1. And if we want to say 10 found 2 times, then just remove that block break here, and it will rotate up to that end, and every time it founds a match, it will say I found a match. And let's say just 3 elements, 10, 10, 20, and search for 10, and as it says 10 is found in 2 places. So now it's done. This is how linear search works. That's it. So main thing is this loop linear search, just go one after another and find that match. So see you in the next video.